Sa ikalawang sunod na taon, aabante sa Eastern Conference Finals ang NBA Playoffs ang Indiana Pacers matapos silang tuldukan ng season ng Cleveland Cavaliers sa Game 5 nitong Miyerkules. Yan ang ulat ng aking teammate na si Darrell Oclares.
Muling pinatunayan ng Indiana Pacers na hindi basihan ang regular season standings para mamayagpag sa NBA playoffs. Bilang number 4 seed, nagawang makabalik ng Pacers sa Eastern Conference Finals ngayong season matapos na tuluyang pataubin ang number 1 Cleveland Cavaliers sa Game 5 nito lamang Miyerkules sa score na 114-105. Pero hindi naging madali para sa Indiana na tuluyang isara ang serye lalo na't nakaharap nila ang desperadong Cavaliers na naglaro sa harap ng kanilang home court sa Game 5. Magandang naging panimula ng Cavs na nakapagtala pa ng 19-point advantage sa second quarter bago ito tuluyang burahin ng Pacers dahil na rin sa mainit na outside shooting ng all-star guard na si Tyrese Haliburton. Papasok ng second half, lamang pa ang Cleveland ng single digit pero dahan-dahang nakuha ng Indiana ang momentum ng laro. Sa 7 minutes at 4 second mark ng ikatlong kanto, umabanti na ang Pacers kasunod ng outside shot mula kay Pascal Siakam. Mula noon, hindi na binitawan ng Pacers ang kalamangan at nagawang mapigilan ang anumang comeback attempt ng Cavaliers. Sa crunch time, isang 8-2 run ang pinakawalan ng Indiana para tuluyang idispatcha ang Cavs at nakuha ang unang ticket sa Eastern Conference Finals. Sa kabuuan, nakapagtala si Haliburton ng 31 points, 8 assists at 6 rebounds para pangunahan ang Pacers samantalang nakapag-ambag si Siakam ng 21 markers, 8 boards at 5 dimes.
It's a special feeling, to be honest with you. I'm not going to sit here and talk like I got so many years of experience. I'm in my 5th year. But something I've learned from my vets and just being in the NBA for enough time is to not take winning for granted, and this is a special time, back-to-back Eastern Conference Finals. We're not done. We still got, ways to go, but it's a special feeling, man. And, watching the lottery last night, I remember being our representative at the lottery a couple of years ago and not wanting to, to go back. So it's special, man.
Never take it for granted, and for me, it's just like we have a great opportunity. Last year, we literally where we was at last year, and when we got in the summer, we talked about getting better. This is the opportunity now to get better. Show that we took a step, and that's the mentality that we have going into the next games. Is we have a real opportunity, and we can't take it for granted. I can't stress it enough.
Makakaharap ng Pacers sa East Finals ang mananalo sa serye sa pagitan ng Boston Celtics at New York Knicks. Samantala sa Western Conference naman, naibulsa ng Oklahoma City Thunder ang pivotal Game 5 win kontra sa Denver Nuggets 112-105 para umangat ng 3-2 sa kanilang best of 7 semifinals. Nanguna para sa Thunder si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander na kumamada ng 31 points, 7 assists at 6 rebounds. Darrell Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.